Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I took a very long summer break, but now I'm back and we are not going to talk about skincare, products, makeup. Well, almost, but we are going to talk about beauty gadgets. But very laid back, very low-key gadgets. I call it gadgets, but honestly, they're just how to improve your beauty skincare routine, how to introduce it into your skincare routine. It's very easy. It's something that you can do every day, even if you are a very busy person with a very little time in the morning or in the evening, busy mom who has like seriously 1 minute and a half to get ready. I'll tell you, it'll work. So because I myself, I don't have a lot of time in the morning or even in the evening. So what I do, what I use, how I use it, I'm gonna show it to you, and yeah, and it won't break the bank. That's very important. Now, I start with my probably favorite thing is this face brush. Now, this is very soft in the morning. Now it's a little bit wet, but normally it's in the morning when I use it, it's super soft. The bristles go on your face so soft, like literally like feathers. Now I start my morning with brushing my face, getting rid of all the dead cells or whatever, or actually I'm using it to start circulation going. So after when I wash my face and all the products gonna put, it's already on a kind of a prepared face, alive, like awakened face. My skin is already breathing, like blood flowing, not in a literal way. And yeah, and it's very good for your skin. In the evening, I wash myself with this brush. I use it for my second cleanse. First, I take off my makeup with a cleansing balm or cleansing oil, and then I use this brush for a foamy or gel-like cleanser, and it's kind of like a mild exfoliator. Your skin is so smooth. I urge you to try this brush. You can find it in basically anywhere. Like I normally buy at some bio stores. This one from the brand called Natura. I think they are like they're sold in Europe. These shops are in Europe. They sell everything Ayurvedic, very natural, vegan. So yeah, but I know that Aveda has a very nice soft face brush, also British brand Organics. I actually had one from them, very nice. So you can use it in the morning as of on a dry face, and in the evening you can wash it with it. So amazing, one of my favorite. Another favorite of mine is this roller, face roller. First of all, it's depuffing. I keep it in the refrigerator. And when I apply my eye cream, I normally go like this and roll. So it serves as a depuffer. It also kind of tightens your skin. It sort of lifts your skin. You go like this and it's kind of have this effect. Also very important, like this. It just awakens your face in a minute. Like I really need it. I cannot live without it. And for the whole face, I use it on my serum. Also do all these movements. Also good for circulation, for kind of lifting your face. If you do it regular, if you do it literally every day, you will see the difference. I mean, not like kind of a difference as if you did some, I don't know, facelifting. It has nothing to do with the drastic effect, but it's kind of a maintaining your face, your skin in a good condition, with a very like simple devices like this. It's no brainer, really. This is from the Body Shop, and it's one of my favorite. I tried many. I tried really a very expensive one, a very advanced one, but I find that this is one of the best. So if you have the Body Shop like in your town, your city, I mean, the Body Shop is everywhere. Actually, I find that they are very often you cannot find it very easily in the shop. They're constantly sold out, so I'm not the only one. Now, yeah, and this is just a gem in the morning, like, oof. Especially if you wake up very early. Now, excuse my voice, we have air conditioning all the time. In Barcelona, it's still so hot. I'm out of voice. So, now, another thing, it's not my favorite, but I used to use it before. Sometimes I use it. This is gua sha. For me, the problem with this sort of gadget, I don't know, it's you need some kind of a learning curve to use it. You have to use it correctly. Otherwise, you can actually, excuse me, my phone, damage your skin. Like damage your face even if you don't do it correctly. Like you really have to, I mean, I know how to do it, but if you're not exactly into it, you cannot really do it very hard on your face. Like you really need to know the movements. I mean, there are plenty of people showing it on YouTube or Instagram. They're showing you how to do it. So if you want, like, you can learn and do. It's pretty good though. Like it's really nice. I normally, when I use it, I have it like in the evening when I maybe put my facial oil like in the end of my skincare routine. So I kind of like go like this with all this, right directions. I mean, I like it, but my favorite is this one. This one probably I will do in the evening because I use facial oil in the evening more often than in the morning. I don't use facial oil, and this is better for me with the facial oil. And this is in the morning. I mean, I cannot live without this. So the gua sha is also a good thing if you have. Now, the body. I have three things for the body. First one is this Ayurveda glove. It's a rustic silk glove. Now, completely natural. It's a silk, but it's like a rustic silk. Now, you put like this and it has like a little bit like kind of a, I don't know. Texture is pretty soft, but it has a little bit like rustic. And when you massage your face, I normally do it in the morning, before the shower. Now that I have a little bit of tan, I prefer this one rather than another brush like this from the Body Shop as well. I like them both. They're my favorite. Actually, this you can use also on your face as a exfoliator, nature exfoliator. Yeah, so basically this is kind of a substitute this exfoliating in the morning with starting with this glove, massaging your face. It's not gonna scratch or do anything bad to your face unless you're very sensitive or you have rosacea or something, like some skin condition. Maybe you shouldn't, but all in all, it's very, very good. So I start and because this is pretty tough, like there are places on my face like here, it's too rough for me. I don't do it. So it's mainly for my calves, my thighs, like my hips, like the lower part. And this I prefer like my arms, décolleté, whatever. There are many ways to say this. And yeah, and I love it. I use it every day. Really, really liking it. It's just like every day before shower, you have this very soft exfoliating moment, and it also for circulation is fantastic. It's one of the best things. It's very funny. It's like 2 fingers and this. Yeah, and you can use it for your face. Your skin will thank you for this because it's gonna be soft. mildly exfoliated, and yeah, and your skincare, like your all your body lotions, oils that you're gonna put after it, fantastic. And it kind of detoxing. It's very good before shower, because after you go to the shower and you kind of like take off all the dead cells from your body, like it's detoxifying, like it's amazing thing. Another body thing that I really like, it's not a brush, it has like a very hard kind of a rubber, it's almost like plasticky. I like using it with the oil. I normally use it as like my evening skincare regime, because I like to put after the shower some anti-cellulite oil. I really like the oils that contain mint, lemon, grapefruit seed oil. Also, I like the one from Valida anti-cellulite, very nice body oil. Also, well, there are plenty, absolutely plenty. Of course, one of my favorite ones is Clarins. It has this also anti-cellulite, like anti-stretch mark oil. I used to use it when I was pregnant. It's amazing. So you apply this. I know that Clarins oils you are supposed to apply before the shower, so you can do it before shower, and you can also massage it where your abdominal area is. It's very good with the circular movements, the thighs, the hips, everywhere that you might think the cellulite can appear. I don't I know I have three children, but well, they're not babies anymore, but I have three children, and not with none I had stretch marks, because I, from basically day number one when I knew that I was pregnant, I was using oils, was massaging my body. Also was using this, what was the name of this, bio oil, I think, was also very good. I really have to quicken my speech, because I'm absolutely out of voice. I don't know what I was thinking. The thing is, I don't have a voice already for over 3 weeks since we got back from Latvia, from Riga. The weather was fantastic. There was like 20 degree, 21, and we came to Barcelona and it's like 30, 32. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hence air conditioner all the time. I switched it off right now, so like like I don't annoy you with the noise, because there will be some little noise, you know, when you have air conditioning. Oof. Okay, let's continue. This is a very good thing. Like, I need 3 of them. Like I like for different purposes. Now, hair. The hair is actually a very important one. Once I found out about this brush like half a year ago, and there's no way back. Now, this one. This is kind of like pretty soft rubber. I use it, I apply the shampoo, kind of like already foam it up on my hair, and then I go with this brush. And this is your exfoliator. This is your basically very good to foam up more. And also like using it when sometimes I use like a scalp exfoliator, which I don't use it very often now, because this is my exfoliating. Like, this is already getting out all the products, all the accumulation of the dry shampoo. This is already enough, because if you dye your hair or you have like highlights, if you use this exfoliating product, they might interfere with your color. Your color can fade off much faster, especially, and if you have gray hair, then the color will go off with your roots very fast. So it's exactly what is good if you have gray hair and you don't want your color to disappear fast. Like, better not to use exfoliating scalp products. Use the brush. This is much better. Amazing. I use it on my kids as well. Also like a massage, you know, it's like really, really nice. Now, this is a very good one. And I had to run to take it, I forgot. Now, this is, everybody knows, I think, about this. It also, actually, I was buying in Natura, but shop, but you can get it everywhere. Now, this is something I do also every evening, especially every evening. I massage my head because in the evening, by the evening, all the muscles can be very tense. During the day we did many things, we were very, like, just to take the day off, so to speak. It even has the same color as to take the day off, the cleansing balm by Clinique that I use. So now you do circular motions, you do wherever hurts. Like for me, it's here very often, and you also can go down the neck and just do like this. So you kind of like release this, relax these muscles, and that'll be fantastic. Absolutely. I do it every evening and it helps. I also do it on my kids if they're a bit like too, maybe too hyper or something, or just especially my son, he has a lot of homework and he sits for a long time reading or doing something, and then in the evening I'll just gonna go like this and relax his muscles, and it works. I mean, it relaxes. It's very nice before going to sleep. And the last gadget, I mean, it's not the last, it should be the first one, because this is the first thing in the morning I use this thing, and you know what it is. It's the tongue cleanser. Okay, it's not very something exciting, but it's very, very important gadget, because like for your health. Now I buy it also in a health store. Look, it's better to use something like this. It has special metal that it's very mild, it's very delicate on your tongue, because in the plastic things that they sell in the pharmacy, they can be harsh. And the tongue, I mean, it's not exactly you have to scratch your tongue, it's actually, you can destroy your tongue and you can make it very sensitive. You have to be very delicate with your tongue. But so basically you clean your tongue with this in the morning, get rid of all the bad bacteria that were accumulated during the night, and it's complete detox of your mouth. You also can go around a little bit where you're like on your cheeks, and like you can go around it, and fantastic. I've been doing it for years. This is like one of the most important gadgets. As you can see, you don't exactly have to go to the extent of 500, 400 euros with all these machines to maintain your skincare routine more leveled up. All these things that work very well, because I've been doing this all my, not life, but many years, and I find it effective for me. So I just shared you what I have. And that's that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.